Good afternoon all of you. Today we are going to learn test for divisibility. Test for divisibility of a number. Divisibility of a number. First we are going to learn test for divisibility of a number by 2. Test for divisibility of a number by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if a given number is divisible by 2 if its unit place consists of digits either 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8.
Even
If a number is divisible, a number is divisible by 2 if its unit place consists 0, 2, 4 and 8. For example, we want to check a given number is divisible by 2 or not.
Ma'am,
For example, let us take a number.
Ma'am, what comes from? Ma'am, in second line, test from.
Don't interrupt in between. Okay.
Ma'am, क्या लिखा है?
Where
Test for के बाद.
test for divisibility of a number. For example, suppose we have a number like 2, 5, 7, 9, 8. Check that given number is divisible by 2 or not.
Yes.
Yes, this number is divisible by 2. Why? Because its ones place or unit place has digit 8. Because you can say it is an even number. Okay, every even number is divisible by 2. Okay, let us take the divisibility rule of a number by 3. Okay, divisibility rule of a number by 3. By 3. Okay. Now we are going to learn divisibility rule of a number by 3. A given number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the given number is divisible by 3. Then the given number is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. For example, let us check the divisibility of a number 3, 7, 5, 2, 7, 8, 9. We want to check the divisibility of this number by 3. The number is divisible by 3 or not.
Divisible.
We want to check that. How we will find the sum. 3 plus 7, 10, 15, 17, 17 plus 7, 24, 24 plus 8, 24 plus 8, 32, 32 plus 9, 41. From here you can see that 41 is not divisible by 3. Right? 41 is not divisible by 3. So the given number is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 3. Why not divisible by 3? Because the sum of the digit is not divisible by 3. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the divisibility rule of a number by 3. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us discuss the divisibility rule of a number by 4. Now first we are going to discuss divisibility rule of a number by 6, because divisibility rule of 6 depend upon the divisibility rule of 2 and 3. Okay? A given number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. For example, let us take a number 3, 2, 5, 7, 9, 2. We want to check this number is divisible by 6 or not without actually divided. So we apply the divisibility rule of 2 and 3. Okay, because the divisibility rule of 6 divisibility of rule of 6 is that if a number is divisible by 6, if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Okay, so since the given number is even number, okay, or you can say ones place of this number has 2, so the given number is divisible by 2. Okay, now check the given number is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, so we have studied that how we check given number is divisible by 3 or not. How we can check given number is divisible by 3?
By the sum.
By the sum of all digits.
We will find the sum of
all the
digit.
numbers.
Sum of the digit. If this sum of the digit is divisible by 3, then the given number is divisible by 3. Okay, so find sum. 3 to 5, 10, 17, 17 plus 9, 28. 28. Huh? 3 plus 2, 5, 5 to 10, 10, 17, 19, 19 plus 9, 28. 28 is not divisible by 3. Okay, so this number is not divisible by 3. Okay, if a number is not divisible by 3, so the given number is not divisible by 6. Okay, done?
Good afternoon. Sit down.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us discuss the divisibility rule of a number by 5. Divisibility rule, or you can say divisibility test. Okay? number by 5. A given number is divisible by 5 if its unit place has either 0
or 5.
or 5 in its unit place. Okay. A given number is divisible by 5 if its unit place
Is 0
और यूनिट प्लेस और क्या बोलते हैं वंस प्लेस. यूनिट प्लेस और वंस प्लेस
is 0 or 5.
either 0 or 5. Then the number is divisible by 5. Then the number is divisible by 5. Divisible by 5. For example, 105792. Is it number divisible by 5 or not?
No.
This number is divisible by 5 or not?
No.
Why?
Because its unit place is not 5 or
This
0.
number is not divisible by 5 because its ones place has 2. So if a number has ones place has 0 or 5, only after that the number is divisible by 5. That's all for today. Huh?
Video 1.
Now wait. Wait.
बेटा रिकॉर्डिंग क्लास में वेट नहीं किया जाता, क्लास रिकॉर्ड हो रही है. आपको ये पहले पता होना चाहिए.
मैं डिजिट लिखे तो उसको बस बता दो.
Now divisibility test. Divisibility test, or you can say rule. Divisibility rule of a number by 4. A given number is divisible by 4. A given number, you can say a number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 if its unit place or tens place. Means a number formed by last 2 digit is divisible by 4, then the given number is divisible by 4. Okay? So note down, if a number with at least 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 if the number formed by 3 or more digit is divisible by 4 if number formed by last 2 digit last two digit is divisible by 4, by 4, then the given number is divisible by 4. Given number is divisible by 4. For example, 1, 2, 3, 7, 3, 7, 3, 2. We want to check the given number is divisible by 4 or not. We check only the number formed by last 2 digits.
Not divisible by
Since the number formed by last 2 digits is not divisible by 4, so the given number is not divisible by 4. Right? So, let us take another example. 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4. Okay? Since the number formed by last 2 digits is divisible by 4, the given number is divisible by 4. Divisibility rule. Divisibility rule of a number. Divisibility rule of a number by 8. Given a number with 4 or more digits. A number with 4 or more digits is divisible by 8 if number formed by last 3 digits is divisible by 4, is divisible by 8, is divisible by 8, then the given number is divisible by 8. For example, a number with 3 or more digit. नंबर के अंदर कम से कम 3 डिजिट आपके होने चाहिए. 4 और मोर डिजिट. नंबर्स जो हमारा लेंगे हम चेक करने के लिए डिविजिबिलिटी रूल बाय 8 वो कम से कम 4 डिजिट का होना चाहिए. ठीक है, फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज दैट. ठीक है, दैट नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 8 इफ द नंबर फॉर्म्ड बाय लास्ट 3 डिजिट इज डिविजिबल बाय 8 then the whole number is divisible by 8. For example, 7, 2, 3, 2, 1, 5, 7, 0, 4, 0. Check the given number is divisible by 4 or not.
Yes.
कैसे चेक करेंगे हम लोग? लास्ट 3 डिजिट से चेक करेंगे. ठीक है, लास्ट 3 डिजिट हमारे क्या हैं? 40 है. Since 40 is divisible by 8, the whole number is divisible by 8. Okay?
मैम प्लीज 1 मिनट मैम.
Now captured said because
रन नाम हो गया.
नो मैम.
the lily
लिखना फास्ट.
Divisibility. Now we are discussing divisibility rule of a number by number 9. Okay? A number is divisible by 9 if sum of the digit is divisible by 9 then the given number is divisible by 9. जैसे 3 का divisibility rule है, same का है। ठीक है, जैसे जो डिविजिबिलिटी रूल हमारा 4 का है सेम हमारा 8 का है, बस थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है। इसमें क्या है, जैसे 9 में हम चेक करेंगे कि डिविजिबिलिटी रूल बाय 9 हमारा क्या है, इफ सम ऑफ द डिजिट इज डिविजिबल बाय 9 देन द गिवन नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 9। ओके,
Yes.
फॉर एग्जांपल डायरेक्ट एग्जांपल लेते हैं। ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल let us take a number 5 2 9 3 4 3 2. Check the given number is divisible by 9 or no.
No.
How we will check? We find the sum of the digit of the given number. Okay, find the sum of the digit. 5 plus 2 7, 7 9 16, 19 23
27.
26
29.
28. 28. Since 28 is not divisible by 9, 28 is not divisible by 9, the given number is not divisible by 9. Okay. Now let us discuss the divisibility rule of a number by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if its unit place has 0. The given number is only divisible by 10 if its unit place has 0. Okay, so let us take an example. Example 7 2 5 7 9. Check the given number is divisible by 10.
No.
The given number is not divisible by 10 by because its ones place has only 9. Okay, a number is divisible by 10 if its ones place has 0 only. अगर ones place में 0 होगा तभी नंबर हमारा 10 से divisible रहेगा। ठीक है, अगर ones place पे हमारा 0 के अलावा कोई और डिजिट है so given number is not divisible by 10. Okay, so this number is not divisible by 10. Let us take another example. 1 5 7 2 5 9 0. This number is divisible by 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this number is divisible by 10 क्योंकि इसके ones place पे हमारा क्या है 0. Now divisibility rule of a number by 11.
जो नंबर के यूनिट प्लेस के शामिल है वो
A number is divisible by 11. Number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits at 4 place and sum of the digit at even place of a number either 0 or divisible by 11 or divisible by 11, then the given number is divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. Okay. For example, let us take a number 1331. We want to check the given number is divisible by 11 or not. We will find the sum of the digit at even place and sum of the digit at odd place. आप यहाँ फाइंड करेंगे sum of digit at even place. फर्स्ट आप odd place कर लीजिए और यहाँ पे फाइंड करेंगे sum of the digit at even place. आपका देखिए 1 and 3, 1 2 3 and 4. आपका 1 and 3 आपका क्या है? डिजिट एट odd place है. So sum is 4 and digit at even place is again 3 and 1. 1 plus 3 which is again 4. अब हमें जो हमारा सम ऑफ द डिजिट एट odd place आया है और सम ऑफ द डिजिट एट इवन प्लेस है उसका डिफरेंस निकालेंगे. क्या डिफरेंस रहेगा? 4 minus 4 0. The given number is divisible by 11. हमने पढ़ा है यहाँ पे कि अगर हमारा डिफरेंस बिटवीन द सम ऑफ द डिजिट एट odd place and सम ऑफ द डिजिट एट इवन प्लेस ऑफ ए नंबर या तो 0 रहे या तो हमारा क्या रहे divisible by 11. Then the number is divisible by 11. So हमारा जो डिफरेंस है वो 0 आया है. So the given number is divisible by 11. Right?
कैमरे में नहीं दिखा.
Now let us practice. Let us practice. We have studied all the divisibility rule. Now practice some question. Some more divisibility rule. Now let us learn some more divisibility rule. Some more. भाई जो सो रहे हैं जब जाओ. Some more divisibility rule. Some more divisibility rule.
More divisibility rule.
Yes. If a number is divisible by another number, if a number is divisible by another number, if a number is divisible by another number, then it should be, then it is divisible by each of its factor. Each of the factor of that number. Each of the factor all its factor. Factor of 9 are, बताइए कौन कौन है फैक्टर 9 के?
1 3
फैक्टर कौन है 9 के?
1 3 6
Factors of 9 are
1 and 3
9. 1, 3 and 9. So the given number 1 is 1 divide every number. Okay? And 9 से तो आप every number divide. इससे तो हमें पूछा ही हुआ है कि ये नंबर हमारा गिवन नंबर को डिवाइड करता है. तो इसका फैक्टर हमारा 3 हमारा बचता है. तो 3 से ये नंबर क्या रहेगा? डिविजिबल रहेगा. जैसे आप कोई बड़ा नंबर ले सकते हैं कि 1 3 1 4 हो जाएगा. जैसे 64 है हमारा. 64 is divisible by 16. Okay?
Yes.
64 is divisible by 16. Then this 64 is divisible by all its factors. इसके फैक्टर क्या क्या रहेंगे? 2 4 8. ठीक है? और 16 तो है ही खुद.
and 1
So this number is must be divisible by 2 4 8. Okay? So this is first rule. Second,
अब समझ में आई
समझ नहीं आया? इसमें ये कहता है कि अगर कोई नंबर किसी नंबर को डिवाइड करता है, जैसे यहाँ पे हमारा 16 है, 16 को कौन डिवाइड कर रहा है? 8 डिवाइड कर रहा है. ठीक है? तो अगर 8 16 को डिवाइड करता है तो 8 के सारे फैक्टर 16 को डिवाइड करेंगे. ठीक है? क्या कहता है? अगर 8 16 को डिवाइड करता है तो 8 के सारे फैक्टर 16 को डिवाइड करेंगे. ओके? नेक्स्ट है हमारा if a number is divisible by if a number is divisible by not talking if a number is divisible by two co-prime number then it is divisible by its product. You know what is co-prime number? Huh? You know what is co-prime number? Huh? What is co-prime number? Two numbers are co-prime if it has only common factor 1. कोई भी दो नंबर हमारे जैसे 4 and 5 कैसे नंबर है? हमारे को-प्राइम नंबर है, क्योंकि इनके अंदर जो कॉमन फैक्टर है इसमें कॉमन फैक्टर सिर्फ 1 है.